Alright, this video is about homemade steel targets. As you can see, Jerry here made 3 different styles of targets. This one is about a 10-inch target. It's about a 6-inch and another 6-inch. And then as you can see, the little tree here, it ranges down 6 inches to 8 inches to 10 inches. So you have something to work with, and that works back and forth. And then you just shoot and you can go back and forth. These aren't built for high caliber weapons, but it will withstand, anything we're shooting with, 9mm, 22, and just medium sized handguns and some small rifles. But we're not, all it is to play with. More than likely 22 is going to be shooting it probably 99% of the time. So if we start denting them, we'll just make thicker ones. See how we made these, and that should give you some ideas and something that'll help you if you want to make some of these for your house.